different caliber. हमसे मस्ती सीधा तेरे आंसू पर. हम गेम रखते मुट्ठी में, हाँ जादूगर आए बाजीगर बाजीगर. मैं बाजीगर सबसे अलग सबसे असली different caliber. हमसे मस्ती सीधा तेरे आंसू पर. हम गेम रखते मुट्ठी में, हाँ जादूगर आए बाजीगर बाजीगर.
Somebody think of me. I've been riding dirty, got a piece of me. Still cracking. Took a million crackers and he flipped the bottle. The Pepsi, I made a lot of money, now I eat for free. Billy Thomas on top, but I keep the secret. Too much sugar, get a D&D there. Any piece they ain't just gonna lick the meat.
मैं बाजीगर सबसे अलग सबसे असली different caliber. हमसे मस्ती सीधा तेरे आंसू पर. हम गेम रखते मुट्ठी में, हाँ जादूगर आए बाजीगर बाजीगर.
IQOO Neo 7 Pro with dual chip power.
IQOO. The new generation of IQOO Neo series, the IQOO Neo 7 Pro. These are the first technology. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. With this chip, we were able to give you the unparalleled performance with super stability and great power efficiency. First, it is supported with the 4 nanometer technology manufactured in TSMC, which gives you the flagship level performance with much lower power. And the Cryo CPU triple cluster architecture with a clock speed of 3 gigahertz. Compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, this chip improves the performance by 10% on CPU and GPU. Along with that, the power consumption has been reduced by 30%. Now, you can have the high performance gaming with stable frame rate in high frame rate mode. And this is, my dear friends, is a short combination of winning. What else that we have? Unleashing the platform capability requires top-notch RAM and ROM combination. And we have the LPDDR5 RAM technology, which reaches the theoretical speed of 6400 Mbps and a 150% boost over the IQOO Neo 6. The whole system performance can truly keep up with the new processor to deliver the amazing response rate. And with the UFS 3.1 technology, you can have, or you can actually copy the 8 GB file in less than 30 seconds. Yes, in less than 30 seconds that you can do that. Now coming to the Android score, the score that we have been really proud since the inception of IQOO. The score that we have topped across price segments, and this time is no exception. If I compare the Android score of the previous generation in Neo series, you will be amazed to see the enhancement that we have with the Neo series offering. Standing at the 740,000 plus score with our debutant IQOO Neo 6. And with the recent launch of IQOO Neo 7, we got the 17% jump over the Neo 6 with the Android score of 890,000 plus. And now the Neo 7 Pro has the 33% faster speed performance over the IQOO Neo 7 with a staggering Android score of 1.3 million. We are actually quantifying this staggering word in every launch, I feel. And with this Android score, believe me, IQOO Neo 7 Pro will be the most powerful device in its own segment. Now, after talking about the hardware, let's talk about the software front. We have the extended RAM 3.0 technology, which can extend the 12 GB RAM by 8 GB virtual RAM to make it 20 GB effective RAM, which will allow you to have 36 active background apps running parallelly. And this will reduce the time to app load and give you a multitasking breeze. And as a myself hardcore gamer, I would like to spend time more on improving the gaming experience and really help us when we decide the product like our IQOO Neo 7 Pro. For the first time, my friends, yes, for the first time, my friends, we are introducing the dual chip power technology in a new series as well. First, the chip number one is the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 that I have recently spoke about. And the second one is our independent gaming chip. And this lethal combination of these two chips makes your experience pro in IQOO Neo 7 Pro. The independent gaming chip offers so many exciting features, starting from game frame interpolation and game display enhancement, and also the reduction of power consumption. So let me start with the game frame interpolation. First, to quite simply put, the independent gaming chip helps in achieving 90 or 120 frames per second with the game frame interpolation. Means the game which can't support natively 90 and 120 FPS, it can get the benefit from the frame interpolation. Next is something that we're truly excited about to introduce our industry-first game display enhancement. Basically, it's an image quality optimization and a genre filter that will work in all the games that will support by our game box. And now we are reimagining every graphic detail and the visual quality of every game's unique style. So get ready to experience the visual that closely resemble of the graphics of each and every game. At the same time, this independent gaming chip can reduce the temperature by 12% compared to the native 90 and 120 FPS, which requires a lot of GPU resources from the main chipset. Apart from all this gaming experience, do you often find that when you play a game for a long period of time, it heats a lot? I mean, if you see in this scenario where the temperature touches the 37 degrees Celsius, but you don't need to worry because we got you covered. The IQOO Neo 7 Pro also supports the smart 3D cooling system. There are 10 inbuilt high anti-seep precision temperature, which detect the temperature from the inside of the phone and avoid the triggering temperature, which reduce the effect on the game performance. Not just this, we also have one of the highest and largest the VC cooling chamber, which has the area of 4013 millimeters square. It is 1.5 times than the IQOO Neo 6. Along with that, we have multi-layer 3D graphite sheet, which has the area of more than 7,000 millimeters square. We have customized this thickness to fit closely, basically, in heating sources to transfer the heat faster. The best example for this is the gaming experience itself. What we did, we test the new state mobile game at 90 FPS. And what we got is 89.6 average frame rate throughout the 1 hour of gaming. I mean, this level of constant high frame rate, we can assure you that you will win every tough battle game. Another important feature that we have, which will give you the power to win, is motion control. I know you have seen this in many smartphone features we have recently launched. Basically, it will give you the 6 motion gesture to use for a particular key. For example, here, I have used the left tilt motion for the gun reload. My experience with motion control is supremely amazing. And I would suggest after the demo zone open, you can also try yourself.